Welcome to my channel Speedline Auto, where we dive into the future of cars that are reshaping the way we drive. And today, we're talking about a true game changer, the 2026 Mitsubishi Minivan. Forget everything you thought you knew about minivans. Because this one doesn't just carry families. It redefines what luxury travel on wheels feels like at first glance. The 2026 Mitsubishi Minivan breaks all stereotypes. This isn't the boxy, boring design you're used to seeing on minivans. Instead, Mitsubishi has given it a bold, futuristic look that rivals premium SUVs. The sharp LED light signatures, aerodynamic body lines, massive alloy wheels, and an elegant floating roof design make it look like something straight out of a luxury showroom. It's sleek, it's modern, and it instantly commands attention whether you're parked in the driveway or rolling down the highway. Step inside, and it only gets better. Mitsubishi has transformed the cabin into what feels like a private lounge. We're talking plush leather seating with diamond stitching, soft-touch premium materials across the cabin, and ambient lighting that can be customized to fit your mood. The centerpiece is a massive infotainment screen seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, paired with a fully digital driver's cluster. It's clean, futuristic, and loaded with tech. One of the biggest highlights is the seating experience. The 2026 Mitsubishi Minivan isn't just about carrying passengers, it's about pampering them. Second-row captain's chairs come with full recline, leg rests, built-in ventilation, heating, and even massage functions, features you'd expect in a first-class airline seat, not a family minivan. The third row, surprisingly spacious and equally comfortable, making long journeys relaxing for every passenger on board. Now, let's talk technology. Mitsubishi has gone all out here. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and comes with AI-powered voice recognition. Rear passengers get personal entertainment screens, wireless charging docks, and even USB-C fast-charging ports at every seat. A premium sound system wraps the cabin in concert-like audio, turning every drive into a cinematic experience. Of course, Mitsubishi knows families love practicality, so storage space is cleverly integrated everywhere, from hidden compartments to a huge cargo area with fold-flat seating. This minivan adapts to your needs, whether it's a road trip, school run, or just daily life. Now, under the hood. The 2026 Mitsubishi Minivan offers multiple powertrain options. You get a refined gasoline engine, a hybrid model for efficiency, and yes, an all-electric version in select markets. The hybrid is expected to deliver a perfect balance of power and fuel economy, while the EV takes things to the next level with silent, smooth acceleration and impressive range. Whichever version you pick, Mitsubishi has tuned the suspension and handling to give you a stable, confident drive without compromising comfort. Safety is where Mitsubishi really shines. The 2026 Minivan comes with the latest generation of Mitsubishi's advanced driver assistance suite. Think adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and even a 360-degree camera system for stress-free parking. The vehicle also includes Mitsubishi's new Safe Exit Assist, which alerts passengers if an oncoming car or bike is approaching when opening doors. Fuel efficiency is remarkable in the hybrid, reducing costs for families while also being environmentally friendly. And the EV option aligns perfectly with the global shift towards zero emissions, showing Mitsubishi's serious commitment to the future. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Mitsubishi Minivan is not just another family vehicle, it's a rolling luxury lounge, a tech-packed SUV rival, and a practical everyday car all in one. It proves that minivans can be stylish, desirable, and truly aspirational. Mitsubishi has set a new standard in the family car segment, and competitors are going to have a hard time keeping up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the 2026 Mitsubishi Minivan has what it takes to redefine luxury travel for families? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel Speedline Auto for more exciting car reviews.